Hello, my name is Kayleigh Rapson and I will be speaking at the Love Tutoring Festival on the 24th of January at 9 a.m. My CPD workshop will be looking at working with children with neurodiversity and how we can use an early years approach to support their development up to GCSE. Don't be fooled by the name, it's not just for early years. These techniques can be used and applied all the way through primary and secondary school to ensure that children are engaging and having fun with their education. And it's drawing on techniques that are regularly used in the early years to support children who are happy, healthy and emotionally regulated. So alongside my CPD workshop, you might want to check out some more amazing speakers. We have Judy Bryce, who is talking about maths anxiety and supporting children with dyscalculia by using manipulatives online. We have Victoria Burns, who will be speaking about how we learn to read and challenging you guys to remember how you read as well. And we have Kate King on the same day as me on the 24th of January, who will be talking about breaking down barriers to learning. There are so many more amazing, immersive, engaging speakers to find out about. So please head over to the Love Tutoring website and find out more. Thank you. Bye.